My stomach is making sounds like a stormy ocean tonight.
That is what happens when a chef has no working stove.
This renovation was supposed to last only 2 days, Tom.
Every construction project secretly takes twice as long as promised.
Let's open the delivery app and find something truly special.
I hope you are not in the mood for something impossible.
I want something spicy, but also creamy and very hot.
That sounds like we are looking for Thai curry again.
We had Thai food 3 times this week already, though.
True, we should probably broaden our culinary horizons tonight.
What about that new Italian place near the Central Park?
Their rating is only 3 stars because of slow service.
A hungry person has no patience for a 3-star wait.
How about some classic American burgers with extra large fries?
My professional heart says no, but my hunger says yes.
The Burger Galaxy has a special offer on double cheeseburgers.
Look at the photo. The bun looks a bit too dry.
You're being a very strict judge for a simple delivery.
I can't help it. I see ingredients instead of just food.
Then you should be the one holding the phone, Emma.
Let's filter by the shortest delivery time.
Anything over 40 minutes is a danger to my mood.
This sushi place says they can be here in 20.
Raw fish doesn't feel like a cozy renovation dinner to me.
I agree. We need something that feels like a warm hug.
That brings us back to the idea of a large pizza.
A pizza with 5 types of cheese and some fresh basil.
I can almost smell the melted mozzarella from here.
Let's see if Papa Mario has any available delivery slots.
Check the special request section for extra crispy crust.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.
I have a paper menu for a place called Dragon Noodle.
They are not on this app. They use their own website.
Their prices are much lower because they have no fees.
But can we track the driver in real time there?
No, we just have to wait and hope for the best.
I need to see the little car moving on the map.
The digital age has made us very impatient, hasn't it?
It just makes the waiting part much more entertaining.
Look at this green garden place. It has 0 delivery fee.
That usually means the food prices are much higher instead.
You are right. A simple salad is $15.
That is a very expensive way to eat some lettuce, Tom.
Let's filter for most popular in our current neighborhood.
Taco Town is at the top of the list today.
I love tacos, but they often get messy during the drive.
Nobody wants a soggy taco for a Friday night treat.
What about this Mediterranean grill with the golden stars?
They have grilled chicken skewers and fresh pita bread.
That sounds healthy and delicious at the same time.
The estimated time is 35 minutes from the kitchen.
That is a perfect window of time to set the table.
We don't have a table, remember? It is covered in plastic.
We will have a floor picnic like we did in college.
I'll grab some cushions and a clean tablecloth then.
Is the minimum order amount reached with just 2 meals?
We need $5 more to qualify for the discount.
Add those cinnamon sugar sticks for dessert, please.
You always find a way to include something sweet.
It is a vital part of a balanced delivery experience.
I'm clicking on the cart to check the final total. The total is exactly $40, including the tip.
That is a very solid price for a mountain of food.
I am choosing the leave at the door option tonight.
No, let's meet the driver. I want to say thank you.
Fine, I will change it to meet at the entrance instead.
Make sure the gate code is written in the instructions.
Gate code is 1234. Please don't wake the dog.
You don't have a dog, Emma. Why did you write that?
It makes the drivers more careful with the bags, trust me.
That is a very clever trick from a professional customer.
I am ready to press the big green place order button.
Do it before the restaurant decides to close for the night.
There, the screen is showing a rain of confetti.
That means the kitchen has accepted our hungry request.
Chef Mario is starting to prepare your feast, it says.
I wonder if Mario is a real person or just a logo.
In my world, every Mario is a real person with a hat.
I hope he puts extra garlic on those chicken skewers.
I added a note about the garlic in the special box.
You are the best at handling these digital food missions.
I just want everything to be as perfect as my own cooking.
Nothing is as good as your cooking, but this is a close second.
That is very sweet of you to say, my friend.
I'm just being honest so you don't fire me as a taster.
You are the only person who eats my failed experiments.
Someone has to do the hard work in this friendship.
The app says the food will be ready in 10 minutes.
I will go and find some napkins and some cold drinks.
I will keep a close eye on the delivery status.
The countdown to the picnic has officially started.
The courier has a bicycle icon, and his name is Leo.
Go, Leo, go! The speed of our dinner is in your hands.
He is currently waiting at a red light near the library.
I can see him turning onto our street on the map.
Wait, he just made a wrong turn into the dead end.
Maybe he is new to this part of the city. Poor guy.
No, he is turning around. He found the right way.
I feel like I am watching a very intense sports match.
My hunger makes every second feel like a whole hour.
He is only 2 blocks away from our front gate.
I'm gonna stand by the window to watch for him.
I will check the hallway to make sure the light is on.
Leo is moving very fast now. He must be on a downhill.
I hope he doesn't hit any bumps with our precious cargo.
The app says your courier is arriving with a loud ping.
I can hear a bike bell ringing outside on the pavement.
I see a bright orange thermal bag.
That must be our Mediterranean feast arriving at last.
I'm grabbing my keys to go down and meet him.
I will wait here and start clearing the floor for us.
Don't let the cat jump on the tablecloth while I'm gone.
The cat is more interested in the empty boxes than the food.
I am stepping into the elevator right this second.
I can't wait to see the steam rising from those containers.
The map shows that Leo is standing exactly at our door.
Perfect timing for a perfect Friday evening meal.
I will be back up in less than 2 minutes, Tom.
I have the drinks ready and the cushions are in place.
The elevator door is opening. I can smell the grilled meat.
That is the best news I have heard all day long. I heard the buzzer. You must be right outside the door.
I have 2 heavy bags and they are very warm.
The aroma is filling the entire hallway in a second.
Leo was very nice and wished us a wonderful dinner.
I am glad you gave him a good tip for the bicycle ride.
He deserved it for navigating that dead end so quickly.
Put the bags down here on the clean part of the rug.
I'm afraid to open them and break the beautiful smell.
I am not afraid at all. I am ready to dive into the food.
Look at how carefully they packed everything in layers.
There is a small container of extra sauce on the top.
That must be the spicy yogurt dip I asked for.
And here are the pita breads, still soft and fluffy.
The chicken has those perfect black grill marks on it.
This looks even better than the photos in the app.
Sometimes the universe provides exactly what you need.
What we needed was a lot of calories and no dishes to wash.
The best part is that these containers are all recyclable.
So we are being kind to the planet while being kind to our stomachs.
Precisely. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved.
I found the cinnamon sticks in the smaller brown bag.
Save those for the end. We need to eat the protein first.
You are still talking like a professional chef, Emma.
Old habits die hard, even during a home renovation.
I will pour the sparkling water into these tall glasses.
The picnic looks very inviting with all these colors.
It is definitely more fun than sitting at a regular table.
I'm officially declaring the kitchen renovation not so bad.
Only because we have a smartphone and a great delivery app.
Let's start the feast before the skewers get cold.
This chicken is so tender it practically melts in my mouth.
The spice level is just right, not too weak and not too strong.
I am dipping my pita bread into this mysterious green sauce.
That is the garlic and herb spread I mentioned earlier.
It is a flavor explosion that I wasn't prepared for.
I'm glad we didn't go with the 3-star Italian place.
This is a 5-star experience in the middle of our living room.
The cushions make it feel like we're in a fancy tent.
A tent with a giant TV and a very comfortable rug.
I am feeling my energy returning with every single bite.
Hunger is the best sauce, but this yogurt dip is a close second.
I should try to recreate this recipe when my stove is back.
I will be your official taster for the home version too.
You are very dedicated to your role as a food critic.
It is a sacrifice I'm willing to make for our friendship.
You are such a comedian when you're full.
A full stomach makes a happy heart, as the old saying goes.
I am almost reaching the bottom of my noodle bowl.
Don't forget that we have the cinnamon sticks waiting for us.
I think I have a tiny bit of space left for a dessert.
They are still warm and covered in sparkling sugar.
This was the best decision we made all day, Tom.
Better than choosing the paint color for the kitchen?
Way better, because you can't eat paint for dinner.
I am glad we spent the time filtering all those options.
Quality research always leads to a quality meal.
I am going to leave a very positive review for Leo and the shop.
They deserve all the stars for this wonderful service.
I am leaning back against the sofa now, totally satisfied.
Me too. Let's just stay here and enjoy the peace.